I've been a public figure on the internet since I was 17, and I'm now 21. And I noticed that a lot of people that I meet in person know me from my TikToks from when I was 17 or 18 years old. I feel like it's only right to reintroduce myself. So hello, my name is Mina. My name is actually pronounced Minna, but say it how you like. I was born and raised in Cambridge, Massachusetts. My family and I lived there until November of 2020. I started off on TikTok in my senior year of high school. I started making TikToks about being brown, my experiences, and just like little jokes. And I used to say a lot of things about my culture that people didn't like to hear, which resulted in a lot of nasty comments and my account getting banned and deleted multiple times. As social media was evolving, I saw that the brown jokes were getting a little tired and not funny anymore. So I made a new TikTok, kind of niching myself into more beauty, fashion, hair, etc. And that brings me to where I am right now. Sure, I haven't had astronomical growth. I'm not at 1 million followers yet. I feel like I've gotten to a point with my content where I really like what I'm making and still kind of standing up for what I believe in. Now I'm 21-year-old Mina, or Minna. I'm much older, much smarter, and much more wiser than I was at 17. Now I fully reintroduce myself.